Hi, this is Mike, Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we've got a really weird one. Got some really odd graphical corruption going on with my Ryzen 2200G, so I thought I'd video it, and this is just a brief intro. Basically, I want to know what's going on. I've tried drivers, I've tried changing memory settings, I've tried adding different coolers and all those kind of things. I'm not too sure what is going on, so if you've got any ideas, let us know in the comments. Watch this video, see what you think, let me know, because it's driving me mad. Here we go.